Okay, I'm going to stop you. You're not done, I think, to your own satisfaction. We could either finish these off today, or we can stop now, pick it up Tuesday, and we play with liquid nitrogen. Yeah. Okay, all right, so I'm hearing play with liquid nitrogen. Okay, so what I would like you to do is take whatever you got for posters and stick them over there where you got the poster paper for safe protection. Well, I'll bring them back next time. Say again? You're gonna know who they belong to. They're gonna come back to you next time. And if you got eye protection with you, get it out. And if you happen to be missing that, I have one person I think did not have eye protection, and I've got something for you. Mandy. Take that with you.
Thank you.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. Maybe I'll find one.
That group may have an extra because she left.
I'll find one. I'll find one. Okay, so take a look at the procedure. Okay, and on the back side are some questions that you're going to answer about what it is you're going to do. So it's going to be helpful if you look at that first. Meanwhile, I'm going to bring each table a little dewar of liquid nitrogen, which I will keep replenishing. The ladles or the little white things are for scooping it out. The little digital thermometers, you can actually try to put them in there and measure the temperature. They're going to take it all the way down to the bottom of that, but it might be interesting to do it. There are safety precautions in big letters. So appoint someone at your table to be the safety monitor, okay? Which means that that person should be watching your other mates to make sure that something unsafe doesn't happen. Here are the potential risks. Liquid nitrogen is at about -200 centigrade, okay? If you put your finger in it for more than a few seconds, you will get immediate frostbite, okay? You don't want to do that, all right? If you get it on momentarily, it's going to evaporate. It's not going to be a problem, all right? So that little precaution. They are in dewar containers, which are vacuum glass containers, which if you ding them too hard, they can crack and implode. We don't want that to happen, okay? Because it will make a noise and it might throw some glass around. We don't want that to happen, okay? That's why I'm going to bring them around to you. And don't put your face right up next to the liquid nitrogen, okay? Just keep it at arm's length. Otherwise, use good judgment, and your safety officer will kind of, if you're not sure whether something is safe or not, ask me or one of these chemistry folks over here, Julia, Tiffany, and Ben might know something about it and be able to address that. Okay? All right, so I'm going to bring stuff around to you. You have balloons that you can blow up and immerse to see what happens. And there's a few other items that we brought in case you don't have something that you would like to immerse. Sure. Okay, it doesn't look like there's much in there now, but I will come and put some more in there. There's not much in there at the moment, it's just that one. and these two.
Okay.
And I'm going to put more in there.
I think it's on the back.
Could you guys like move those things so I don't trip and spill liquid nitrogen all over everybody? Good. Okay, there's a little in there, but I'm going to put more in there.
Sure.
Those guys need one.
Okay. You guys involved in that.
It always feels so cool.
Oh, yeah, it feels cold.
Can you, if you're able, can you like snap it and like?
Yeah, just don't use your fingers.
Obtain a doable, several balloons, a ladle, a pair of tongs and gloves. When you're ready, have them pour some liquid.
When you're ready, have me pour out some liquid.
I'm going to go back. Yep. These things need handles.
What's your name again? Sorry, I can't see your name tag.
Professor Bauer.
Okay.
If we put a freeze pop in there that's not frozen yet, in like a vacuum sealed plastic bag, would it freeze like immediately?
Do you have one with you?
Yeah, on the table.
Should we fill out one of these?
Did I want you to? I don't even know. Let's do the fun part, and we won't worry about the other part at the moment. Okay. You guys can use some more. Why don't you like distribute some of these gloves around so if anybody wants to protect their hands a little bit. There are tennis balls and ping pong balls over here if you want to try to see what happens if you put one in there. I forgot the tongs. Let me go see if I can get some.
Can you put it?
Julia, could you run and get like 4 tongs from lab? Huh?
For your keys.
Sure.
Yeah, this looks like it's boiling.
You put a laundry pod thing in it.
Is that an approved experiment?
I don't know.
I let them do it.
Okay.
I didn't stop them.
All right.
It's been
Okay.
So it like beads.
It's like ice.
Does it always repeat again?
So let me just, somebody asked me and I forgot to say something, so please, whatever you talk about and observe, put that on your recorder report for your group. Someone should do a recorder report.